Hello students, in this video I will be explaining to you unit 7 of standard 4th English. This unit is divided into 3 different parts. The first one is the poem A Watering Rhyme. The second part is a lesson named The Giving Tree, in which there is a conversation between a tree and a boy. And the last part is The Donkey, which is a short rhyme. In this video I will be explaining to you only the first part, which is a watering rhyme. So as the name of this poem goes, a watering rhyme. Here the poet named P.A. Ropes tries to explain to you how to water plants properly so that they flourish. Flourish means grow nicely. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. So, which two times has the poet explained to us? Yes, early in the morning and the evening hour. These are the two times when we should prefer to water the plants, and which is the time that we should avoid watering at noonday when the sun is high. Doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. So here the poet instructs us that during the noon time, that means in the afternoon, we should not water plants because it does not help the flowers to grow, to flourish, but it makes them die. As we read further, the poet says, also when you water at the roots. Roots means the down part, which goes into the soil. So we should water the roots. Flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Now we wear our boots down at our feet. Where we wear our boots, flowers have their mouths. That means their mouth is not up upon their head but down in the roots. So that is the place through which they drink water. So we should water the roots properly. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. Here the poet says that we should also soak the earth. Earth means the soil which is around the plant, so that the plant gets the water all throughout the day, and the area around the plant is also moist and cool, so that the flowers can grow properly. Now let us sing the poem. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only makes them die. Next stanza. Also where you water at the roots. Flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for the thirsty feet. So this is how we sing the poem. I hope that you all enjoy reading this poem, understanding it through the explanation, and I hope that you all enjoy singing this poem as well. I will end the video over here. Have a nice day. Thank you. God bless you.